We'll guide you through how to remove files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Dropbox page, you'll see a list of all your files and folders. Find the file or folder you want to delete. Hover your mouse over it, and you should see a checkbox appear on the left side. Click this checkbox to select the file or folder. After you've selected it, look at the top of the page for a toolbar. You'll see several options there. Click on the Delete button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Make sure you really want to delete this file or folder because, after deletion, it will be moved to the trash, and you'll need to delete it from there too if you want it gone permanently. Click on Delete again to confirm your choice. Once that's done, your file or folder will move to the trash. If you want to permanently delete it from Dropbox, go to the Trash section, which you can find on the sidebar. There, you'll see all the files and folders you've recently deleted. Select the ones you want to get rid of permanently, and click on the Permanently Delete button. Again, a confirmation window will appear. Click Delete to finalize. Remember, once you permanently delete a file, it's gone for good, so be sure you no longer need it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.